Welcome back. In part 1, I introduced the 1300X series switches, explained the similarities to the 1300 series, and pointed out a few key differences. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll tell you about more 1300X upgrades, as well as some tips for choosing the right model to fit your needs. Next. I'll kick things off with the stacking bandwidth and port speeds. The Catalyst 1300 series supports stacking up to 8 switches, using mainly 1G ports, with some models offering 2.5G, 5G, and 10G uplinks. The 1300X series takes things further by offering higher stacking bandwidth, including options for 10G and even 25G stacking connections. More models now have faster network ports, including 2.5G, 5G, and 10G SFP28. This means that you can reach speeds up to 25G. These upgrades help your network handle more demanding business tasks and get ready for future growth. When it comes to access control lists, or ACL rules, you can have 1024 on a Catalyst 1300. The 1300X series offer a higher count, which varies by model. Other features introduced in the 1300X series include support for a subject alternative name, SAN, in certificate signing requests, a Cisco Business Dashboard banner in the Graphical User Interface, or GUI, and the ability to enable Federal Information Processing Standard, or FIPS, directly from the GUI. The 1300X series also lets you select the stacking link speed, such as 10G or 25G, depending on your needs and the specific switch model. There are also updates to the Power over Ethernet, or PoE interface. The GUI and command line options are now improved and easier to use. Plus, there's a new link to a configuration conversion tool. This tool helps users move from enterprise-grade Cisco iOS switches to Cisco business switches, making the transition smooth. Last, but certainly not least, the 1300X supports OSPF for dynamic routing. You might be asking yourself, which switch is the right fit for my business? If you want something affordable, reliable, and secure, and your PoE needs are 30 watts per port or less, the Catalyst 1300 series is a great choice. It's perfect for businesses or branch offices with basic needs. But if you have devices that need more power, like Wi-Fi 7 access points or advanced IoT equipment, consider the Catalyst 1300X series. These devices can go up to 60 watts per port. If you need more advanced features like OSPF or expect to need faster connections or more bandwidth as your business grows, the Catalyst 1300X series is a better choice. Now that you have compared the features and capabilities of both the 1300 and 1300X series switches, you can decide which is the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.